In this video, we are going to learn how to use the Getpoint function. Getpoint is very important in AutoLISP as it allows you to interact with the user to pick a point in the AutoCAD window. You can issue Getpoint function in many different ways. First one is just by typing the command Getpoint, and then you can pick anywhere on the screen. This is our point. Another way is to provide the user with a prompt. Getpoint, pick a point. And you can pick anywhere on the screen. This is our point. Another way is to store those points in a variable. Let's say we prompt the user with 2 points, so we can draw a line in those 2 points. Let's start with the first point. Let's say point 1. Get point. Pick the starting point. So we can pick somewhere here on the left. Now, for the point 2, we will issue a get point. However, at this time, since we have the point 1, we can include the point 1 here. That will serve as a base reference or some kind of a guide, like a rubber banding effect. If we finish the command here, let's say pick the endpoint, and you can see the line, the dotted line, and we can pick anywhere on the screen. So this is our second point. So if we check the value of point 1 and point 2, those are our 2 points. We can now issue a command line pt1 pt2, then enter. There you go. That's our line. So that's all about Getpoint. It's very straightforward and easy to use.